Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how to create team on Mortal Kombat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application. After that, open it. Next, you will see these options from which you have to click Battle Mode. Here you can see one unlocked building, you have to click on that. Here you will see edit team option, you have to click on that. Here you can edit your team members. After selecting your team members, you have to click on save preset and click on new preset. Again click on OK and accept. So this is how you change your team on Mortal Kombat. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.